to paddle in tonight to a campsite and then continue on up the river, up the Cedar River to the Carry lean-to for Saturday night. But I got myself a cool little spot right on the lake that I'm going to try to get to tonight. And if I get there, then that'll be awesome. From. So here we are heading out on the Cedar Flow. We're on our way to the lake. And hopefully get somewhere before it gets too dark. That is the plan. See the lake behind me that I just came down. Did about 2.5 miles to get here. Started at 7 o'clock, got here just around 7:30, and as you can see, the sun is just setting, but it's still pretty gorgeous. Nice view. So we are going to get ourselves all figure out how to get set up here now. I slept in. It's like 7 o'clock. I was up at 5 when the sun rose, or when it got light, but I didn't want to get up. I wanted to sleep. I had an early morning yesterday. There's my view. It's pretty nice. So the idea behind this setup was I had my hammock set up, which was cool, and then I put the fly on because I didn't know if I was going to need it. Forecast was not calling for rain, so I didn't think I needed it, but I put it up just in case, and I had it folded so the ridge line was on, and if I had to use it, I could just pull the other half forward and pin it, and then it would be done. So you want to take a look? You can see I ran the ridge line, and if we go from the end, you'll see what I did. So that was just, I ran 2 pins back and then I held it up like that. And had a decent fire last night. That was really cool. Take a walk and look at the lake. Hard to say what the weather's going to do today. One forecast says a little bit of rain at 9:30, another one says 12, and another one says 2. So and showers with possible thunder showers. So I don't know. We're gonna go for the lean-to and see what happens from there. We are going in the Cedar River Flow. We are going to the Carry lean-to. It's about, I don't know, maybe a mile and a half upstream. The flow that we have to get through. This is the channel. This little tiny channel. I missed it again. I thought to myself, is this it? Nah, it can't be. But according to my GPS, what I did last time, this is it. And believe it or not, holy smoly, it is. Look at that. I mean, I maybe could have gotten through somehow, but this is the flow. This is where the beaver dam is up here. It wasn't for the GPS with the aerial photo, he wouldn't have been able to get through. Look at these damn beavers. Oh man, this is so still. Here we are going up the Cedar River Flow towards the lean-to, and we had a little sprinkle, but it is now absolutely beautiful out this morning. You know, you never know in the Dacks what the weather's going to do. to the lean-to, and it is empty, so that's cool. I got first dibs. That's awesome. And yeah, it's a pretty cool spot, just like it showed in the pictures. Not a whole lot different, really, when you look at it. Guess some things don't change much. A little weedy, a little grown in, as you can see the flow behind me. Lean-to's in pretty good shape. It is old, but it's the roof looks pretty solid. So I think this will be home tonight. Now it's 6 o'clock, and it's pretty quiet still. It's warm. Jeez, it was warm last night, but man, oh man, it never rained. Holy smokes, it rained. The thunder and the lightning was crazy. Oh my god, absolutely nutty, man. I thought the lean-to was gonna like float away. This was like a pool of water all through here. This was all underwater. water and we are ready to head out. The river is unbelievably high. It is just ridiculously high. So cool. So I'm approaching the first little set of rapids that I went to yesterday, and I think if I keep going with some good effort, I get past this. I might have to pull into this little inlet just to get a little bit of a break here. Holy mama, that's tough work. Yeah, I know, now it's gonna pull me. Fuck. Alright, no break. Oh shit, I'm fucked. Oh well. You know what? It was fun while it lasted. Alright. Enjoy this while I can. Yeehaw. Wow. That was fun. That was really fun. I knew I wasn't going to win that one. The minute I got my nose out into that flow, I was dead in the water. There's no way I was going to be able to turn myself and head in the right direction. So that's all right. That was fun. We went upriver to see what was going on, and the river is really, really high. You can see here we're just passing by the lean-to. Awesome. Yeah. Sun's trying to get out this morning. It's around 8:30. We're just going with the flow, pardon the pun. Moving along at a pretty good clip too. To our favorite little beaver dam, which I think we may just make it over this time. Sweet, nice. Yeehaw. That was cool. And here we are at the end of the lake. So far, so good.